Welcome foodies. Today we embark on a global journey through the delectable world of pecan desserts. Get ready for a sweet adventure that will tantalize your taste buds. Southern Pecan Pie Bliss. Our first stop is the heart of the South, where golden pecan pies steal the show. Just imagine sinking your fork into that perfect blend of toasted pecans and flaky crust. Japanese pecan mochi delight. Now let's venture to Japan, where pecan mochi takes center stage. It's a delightful marriage of textures and flavors, seamlessly blending east and west. Mexican pecan tres leches extravaganza. Vamonos a Mexico. Indulge in the richness of pecan tres leches, a fiesta for your taste buds, set against the vibrant backdrop of Mexican market. Aussie Pecan Lamington Temptation. Good day, mates. Down under Pecan Lamingtons reigns supreme. A fluffy, nutty delight that's a true Aussie classic. French Pecan Croissant Elegance. Ah, the elegance of French pastries. Feast your eyes on the pecan croissant. A perfect blend of buttery layers and nutty goodness. Indian Pecan Halwa Extravaganza. Spice things up in India with pecan halwa. Rich, sweet, and nutty, a celebration in every bite amidst the vibrant backdrop of Indian street markets. Greek pecan baklava delight. Opa, our next stop is Greece, where they have perfected the art of sweet indulgence with pecan baklava. Layers of crispy phyllo dough, crunchy pecans, and honey. It's a taste of Mediterranean heaven. Thanks for joining us on this sweet adventure. What's your favorite pecan delight? Hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary journeys, and share your go-to pecan treat in the comments. Until next time, keep eating good.